What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Dr. Nina, and no, we are not talking about lightening your skin. We're talking about brightening your skin when you have issues with uneven skin tone, acne and pimple marks, and also hyperpigmentation, which even happened for me. And so these are some of those Ayurvedic treatments and other treatments that I can use right at home that seem to work very well for me. I'm even going to show you guys some masks, some different things you can do to incorporate into your daily regimen that really do seem to help those darker marks lighten up and get that skin tone even and buttery, boo. Links to most all the items I'm using today can be found in the information section, as well as my many different skin regimen videos for the whole body. Thanks so much for all the love and support over on my new website. If you haven't already, go ahead and check it out and join me for new ways to interact with me, giveaways and prizes, weekly emails, as well as my free 8-day supernatural video course, which is free when you sign up. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you like it, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel and also my vlog channel. Make sure that you come back on all Thursdays and some Sundays for video uploads, and also be sure to turn on that notification bell so you know when I upload. Now, y'all know your girl always tells you definitely should go to the doctor if you're having severe issues with something, even acne. However, if you know where your problem lies, it helps you treat it better. So for me, I know that I have issues with stress and also hormones. So I tend to break out down on the lower part of my face, and I get oily in the middle or the T-zone. So I know where to pinpoint and target my treatment, and also what to do to help that. Y'all have seen my skin dream team a million times. I love my Vanity Planet Spin for Perfect Skin, my Purity Facial Wash. I love Witch Hazel or Apple Cider Vinegar to tone my face. I love Renewed Hope in a Jar for my moisturizer, and for my eyes, the Kiehl's Avocado. So if you go back to a lot of my older videos on skin, you know that I've used the Vanity Planet Spin for Perfect Skin forever, and now they went and upgraded that thing. Yes, they did. They have the Glow Spin now, which has 2 different speed settings. They also updated the brush heads, like the everyday brush head, the silicone brush head, all of that, in order to make it easier for you to use and exfoliate better. And I also like the fact that the case is easier to travel with. The unit itself is easier to hold. They also sealed off the battery case so that you're able to easily use it in the shower, making it more water resistant. I love this one a lot better. It's so much easier to hold, and as you can see, I'm able to work around in smaller circles around my face. I'm using the silicone brush on the 2nd setting. I like the silicone brush because if I'm having breakouts or hyperpigmentation, it helps to eliminate excess bacteria, making sure that my face is fully exfoliated and I see less acne on my face across the board. I find it safe to use the brush at least every other day, and I also keep it very clean and dry. I also rinse my face with lukewarm water, going upward, not downward, because downward drags your face and causes wrinkles. And as I've shown you guys in the past, I towel blot my face dry with all white Bounty paper towels because they're more hypoallergenic. And when I use regular towels, I tend to get more acne breakouts because they can still house bacteria. So I find that the easiest way for me, and also it keeps my face looking pretty nice and fresh. Check out my link below in the information section for the brand new Glow Spin, and you'll get a huge discount with my link and code down below. So in celebration and support of the new website and the new Glow Spin, we are giving one away. Check out the contest details down below and enter to win your Glow Spin. And now into 2 of my favorite masks that I use all over my body when I'm experiencing dark spots. But the first one is a skin brightening and toning mask, and you use honey, turmeric, basil, fresh whole milk or milk powder, and this one helps to fade and soothe acne scars and blemishes. Everything in this mask is pretty awesome, but I like to say that some of the ingredients are plugs or they are real important. The turmeric slows down the production of dark spots, and it also protects the skin, while the basil helps to lighten acne scars, it lightens blemishes, it gets rid of blackheads, and it also has anti-aging properties in it as well. Now with this one, I use a nice skin brush to paint it on because turmeric does stain. I've told you all this in previous videos, so make sure that you use something to keep yourself from getting it all over you. Also paint it on in a really thin layer all over the face. I do not leave turmeric on my face longer than 20 minutes. So anything with turmeric in it, I just do not do it. So I usually go about 15 to 20 minutes. I can do this about 2 to 3 times a week, and I keep the mixture only 5 to 7 days. And during that time, I ensure that it is refrigerated because of the whole milk in the mixture. I let it dry 15 to 20 minutes and I rinse it off thoroughly and make sure that I rinse it with lukewarm water. If I'm done with treatments at this point, I go ahead and tone and moisturize. Not only does my skin feel better after this mask, but also I feel like any dark spots seem a lot lighter to me. And now it's time for my natural glowing skin scrub, which you all have seen a lot of different renditions of on my channel. I use honey, lemon, and brown sugar. You can also use white sugar if that's what you have, but this one fights bacteria that causes blemishes, and it also helps to soften the skin through exfoliation. Now again, there's some plugs here, and for this one it's the honey, which acts as an antibacterial, which moisturizes the skin as well, and the lemon, which is antibacterial as well, and that vitamin C helps to actually brighten and lighten the skin over time. In terms of using all of these different treatments I'm showing you, you don't have to use them all in the same day. I do sometimes if I'm having some severe issues. However, I tend to spread them out and alternate them throughout the week, 2 to 3 times a week each. Now with this one, I tend to run around my skin real gently and smoothly in small circles because it can be abrasive and it can cause you to hurt your skin if you're not gentle. So make sure you're very gentle with it. You can see I'm using like the middle fingers, which are not as strong, so it makes it easier to get it around my face but also not damage my skin. Look, and I know everybody want to act like they don't be eating this one, but your girl be trying it on out. Just as delicious as I imagine. I use this one as a scrub all over my body, and I notice wherever I use it, my skin looks brighter, healthier, and glowier. So that's something to keep in mind if you're having issues across your body. Immediately after treatments, I make sure that I go ahead and tone my skin lightly, making sure that I hit all my hot spots and down at the bottom, especially for me where hormonal breakouts happen, and in my T-zone where I get more oily, which causes me to break out more. Afterwards, I also follow with my eye cream by Kiehl's. That's the avocado kind, and then I just make sure that I dab that on, not dragging my eyes, keeping those pretty healthy as well. This method seems to really help with keeping me from getting dark circles under my eyes as well, so check out my video on that. And then I dab on my Renewed Hope in a Jar all over facial moisturizer, which is great because it has glycolic acid in it, which also helps with those dark spots and lightening hyperpigmentation. So that's another option for you as well. So you want to get something with good ingredients that help to break that discoloration down. And there you have it. My face is left fresh, it feels good, it looks good, and I'm able to keep my skin pretty even toned. So let me know what you'll use from today. Hopefully it's been very helpful for you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Beautiful Brown Baby Doll. Peace.